Hello. Today we will perform two-digit multiplication. Here is first number is a 312, second number is 21. We will multiply by 21 with 312. First of all, we multiply by 1. 1 2 za 2. 1 1 za 1. 1 3 za 3. This is two layer multiplication. That's why we will take cross here. Then we will multiply by the second number. Then 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. And then 2 3s are 6. In multiplication we will add. Okay? In the multiplication we will perform addition. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 4 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. And this is 6. This is the total multiplication. Okay. Then we will take the second example. Our second multiplication is 245 into 90. First we will multiply by the first number. Unit place number is 9. 9 5s are 45. 4 is carrying. Okay. Next 9 4s are 4 9s are 36. 13 6 plus 4 40. Put 0 here and take 4 carry. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. This is two layer multiplication. That's why we will take cross here. Then 1 5s are 5. We will multiply with 1. Second number of the second digit. Second number. 1 5s are 5. 1 4s are 4. 1 2s are 2. Then we will take addition here. 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. And 2 plus 2 is 4. This is our second multiplication, and addition of this multiplication of these two number is 4655. Then we will perform our third multiplication. This is 100 place, this is 10 place, this is 0 place. Okay? 1 place. Here we will multiply 518 with 11. First of all, we will multiply with 1. 1 8s are 8. 1 1s are 1. And 1 5s are 5. Then we will take cross here. Then 1 8s are 8. 1 1s are 1. And 1 5s are 5. This is two layer multiplication. In multiplication we will do the addition. Okay. First of all we multiply with 1 to all number. Then second one to the all number in second step. 8 plus 0 is 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. 5 plus 1 is 6. And this is 5. This is addition for third class or third standard. This is our third example. We will take next example. This is example number 4. We will taking here now 316 into 24. Okay, look at here. We will multiply 316 with 24. First, we will multiply with 4 to this number 316. 4 6 are 24 to carry. 4 1s are 4 plus 2 6. 4 3s are 12. 2 6 are 6 2s are 12. 1 carry. 2 1s are 2 or 1 3. 2 3s are 6. This is 2 layer multiplication. We will perform addition here. This is 4. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. 6 plus 1 is 7. This is our fourth multiplication. We are going to perform our last and fifth multiplication. One 65 into 25. Our multiplication in between 165 and 25. Then first we will multiply with 5 with 165. The 5 5s are 25 to carry. 5 6 are 30 and 2 32 3 carry. 5 1s are 5 and 3 8. 2 5s are 10 1 carry. Second we will multiply with 2 this number. 2 5s are 10 1 carry. 2 6 are 12 and 1 13. Again 1 carry. 2 1s are 2 and 1 3. This is 5. This is 2. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 carry. 3 plus 1 is 4. This is our fifth addition. In this way, we will complete our addition.